is one thing that I have observed. Let's say people are going for vaccination. They are
Hmm.
going for vaccination to get treated, or to to take precautions beforehand.
In this I would say lollipop, that if you do this you will be able to earn so much, so that should not
Okay,
be
I
there.
was not aware of it. Okay, they are doing this as well.
Yes, yes.
But if we talk about at the tutors front, the teaching institutes, they have actually made it a business.
Very big
So
business for us. For us, what do you think of this coding for children? Coding for children, I mean, people,
coding for
you must have
children.
seen the ads on TV.
Yeah, yeah. I
Yes,
have
they have,
Byju's.
yes,
Yeah, they organize it as
Baiju.
well. Hi, Radhika.
Hi Faraz,
I'm
how
doing
are
good.
you?
How about you?
Eid Mubarak.
Thank you so much. Eid Mubarak to you too and family.
Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you. And let's hope that everything gets sorted out and COVID goes and we all are fine and safe, isn't it?
Absolutely. Yeah. I prayed it yesterday. I prayed for it
Yeah.
yesterday, and yeah,
Hmm.
just hoping. This is indeed a difficult time for all of us, but yeah. So hope is
Yes.
one thing that we don't have to lose that hope, and yeah. So
Yes.
these difficult times comes, but we have to have that faith in God. So yes, and we all have to
Yes.
stay strong in this phase. We don't have to panic,
Yes.
and yeah, praying is one thing that
Yes.
we all can do. We don't have to go anywhere to pray. By remaining home, we all can pray, and yeah, we can just have to
Yes.
take care of ourselves and our loved ones too. We will be
Yes.
able to
True.
sail
Very
through.
true. And if, yes, and if we all take care, if we all keep the norms which are required for COVID, will be able to do successful. I mean, will be able to come out of this successfully.
Definitely, yes. I'm
Yes.
hoping. Things have so drastically changed. No one has
Yes.
never ever imagined that something of this sort could happen. But yeah,
Yes.
so this is life. So
See, that is what I from last year when it started, I always thought that people, they have money, they have everything, but because of COVID, everybody is under lockdown. They cannot go out, they cannot do anything, they cannot move around. Everybody is sitting at home and they have to work out. Whatever they have to do it, they have to be together at home. So even the nature gives us some lessons sometimes, that see, though
yes,
you go for the artificial intelligence, you go for all the technologies, but then you remain grounded, you be there, and then, you know, I think this would be one message. But in this fight, we are losing many young people nowadays, so that's a very sad thing.
that is
So I
saddening.
feel that we should, yes, very, very sad. But let's hope, as you said, that you have prayed, we all are praying daily, that it should disappear somehow, you know. I always feel we should
Yeah,
it should
it
disappear
should
somehow.
disappear. Yeah, that the God, like shower rain, and that should you know sway away this COVID.
Yes,
Yeah,
true, true,
something of this
very
sort
true. So how did you
happens.
celebrate your, yes, how did you celebrate your Eid?
I guess this was the first time that I did not buy clothes, but that is fine because I wear kurta pajama once in a year, so it was like new only. And apart from that, we have the
Okay.
facility of video calls, so we did talk to our relatives,
Okay.
and yeah,
Mhm.
like I was really busy like doing the household chores and all. uh, I was doing
True.
all the cleaning and stuff. So that actually consumes a lot of
Hmm.
time, because what had happened,
Yes,
Radhika,
it does.
for the complete month, like for the entire month, like I did not do cleaning and
Mm-hmm.
all, because you don't really get time when you
Hmm.
observe fast, and you don't
Yes.
have that kind of strength as
Yes.
well to to indulge
Yes,
themselves in
exactly.
such
You don't have,
activities. Yeah, and even
and it's
after,
become very hot also.
yeah, I'm sorry.
It has become very hot, so your energy level comes down drastically.
Yeah, yeah, right, right. So that also happens. But having said that, this like this Ramadan were a bit easier. Why? Because we didn't have to go out, and so earlier, like I have been
Hmm.
keeping fast, observing fast since my childhood, and so
Okay.
in peak summers, like you have to do your work, you have to go to office, still you have to observe fast, and much
Hmm.
physical activities will be there. But right now, uh,
Hmm.
by doing work from home, by like being home, you still have to, like, it was manageable. So really, like, it wasn't that tough.
Yes,
uh, but yeah, so
that
the
tough.
day has been, yeah, the day was pretty fine.
Good,
Yeah,
good. That's very
yeah.
nice.
C- couldn't get a chance to
Yes.
meet
And
anyone
let's hope
because
that
we cannot.
everything works out well.
Yeah, just hoping for
True.
it.
And we all have to keep distance. We all have to maintain. Yes, yes. Okay.
This is the only solution
So
right
today,
now.
Faraz, tell me that I did not get it.
Yeah, I was continuing with the conversation only. I was referring to the point which you have just said, that that is the only solution. Like social distancing is the only solution to it as of now.
Yes. Only, yes, as of now. And once people they get vaccinated, how is the situation at your end? Your parents and everybody, have they taken the vaccine?
No, no. Why? Because the only thing is that mom and dad, they both are not keeping up well. They cannot. So mom especially, she has that rheumatoid arthritis. So and she
Okay.
cannot travel. She cannot even go out. So I'm not stepping out at all, and like the grocery stuff and all, I am ordering everything online, and whenever a courier comes,
Hmm.
so I sanitize it, I clean it, so I make sure
Hmm.
that there is no contact, there is no direct
Yes.
contact even with the uh, things.
Yes.
So yeah, so all these precautions I'm
Taking.
taking.
But
Yeah,
why don't you? I mean, if they get vaccinated, they would be safe. So you
but
should take them.
cannot really actually take mom out right now, because in normal circumstances as well she cannot travel, and in this phase I cannot really take a chance.
Hmm.
Like this would be the best option right now, to just remain home and
Yes.
take all the necessary precautions, and
Hmm.
yeah, with the
Okay.
complete hygiene and all.
But otherwise, they are
See, if
okay
I
to
were
take.
going out, no, no, they also don't want to take it as of now, because
Okay.
again that is again a hassle. And 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 yeah, there is one thing that I have observed. Let's say people are going for vaccination, they are
Hmm.
going for vaccination to get treated, or to to take precautions beforehand,
Yeah.
so
Hmm.
that they don't get caught COVID. But
Hmm.
they are not adhering the basic social distancing guidelines.
Distance. Yes.
They are actually
And even the
ruining it.
authorities, yes, absolutely, absolutely true. But that is what I had in mind, that what they should do is they should actually do it area wise. They should
Yeah,
ask if some senior citizens are there, if they make people I mean, if some authorities they go home and give the vaccination, that would be much more easier for
that'll be much more easier.
everyone.
Yeah.
Yes,
Right now, the situation is
yes,
it is not organized at all. People are
yes.
taking initiative to get the vaccination, and that is why the like it is so much like it has become so much chaotic everywhere. Like the
Hmm.
situation has become chaotic. Only
Yes.
a person who is fine health wise can go, like
Hmm.
physically. Otherwise, the person who is already ill, like not
Should
advisable
not
to
go.
go out.
Yes, should not
Yeah,
go. And
Yeah,
Delhi, the situation is really bad. People are not getting beds. People are not getting places to get admitted, and everything. The situation is quite bad there.
yeah. It is. It is.
Yes. So for us, what should I call you? What's your first name?
Faraz, you can you are pronouncing it correctly. Faraz. Yeah.
Okay, Faraz. Faraz, what do you think of this coding for children? Coding for children. I mean, people.
Coding for
You must have
children.
seen the ads on TV.
Yeah, yeah. I
Yes,
have
they have.
Byju's.
Yes,
Yeah, they organize it as well.
Byju's
Yeah.
and this. What was that? White Hat Junior and
Yeah.
whatnot. People. Yes. What do you think that should they enroll their children in all these activities, or
Of course.
they
Yeah.
should?
It'll be good. Yeah, yeah. It'll be good. I guess like it should be done forcefully that parents should be like shouldn't be asking their kids forcefully that you have to do this, like, so that they know that coding is a very big thing and this would
Hmm.
benefit them. I guess it should solely be like solely depends upon what the child wants. Uh, of course,
Yes.
the child. So the child would be in the fifth standard or the sixth standard if you are talking
Yes.
coding. But
Yes.
still, yeah. So in if the child is in the fifth or sixth standard, he or she would know that okay, where my interest lies. So coding,
Yes, but what I feel is that they are too young to be put in front of the computer, and just to and the uh, ad which they have shown that they can earn so much. So that should not come into their mind, since I mean, when they are very young at this age, they should not be given this I would say lollipop, that if you do this you will be able to earn so much. So that should not be
I
there.
was not aware of it. Okay, they are doing this as well.
Yes, yes,
Okay, I wasn't
yes,
aware of it. So I guess this should be prohibited because why? This
yes,
shouldn't be entertained as well. Because
yes,
these are the like teaching institutes, they should not entertain it like regardless of any age. So they,
yes.
there are some placement agencies as well, like those consultancies which they place, but that happens once you do the graduation course or
Absolutely,
after your
absolutely.
graduation,
That
but
is
not at this
perfect. That's
stage.
perfect.
Yeah,
Yes, at this age, if you are given this assignment that if you do this much, you will be able to earn so much. That is why you should learn coding. Coding is one of the best thing. You will be able to grow in this field, and all those things are not actually
yeah,
for the kids. I don't agree to it. That is
they are
why.
not. Yeah,
Yes.
I really
And what
second that. Yeah.
Yes. And what do you think of the tuitions? Should children go for the tuitions once they are through with their school and school studies? Should they be, parents should be sending them for the tuitions?
After the school, once they have completed their schooling.
Yes, after, yes, yes, yes.
Okay, it depends upon the course. That if like if their course requires extra study material or extra study, uh, yeah, if someone has taken arts, so I don't think so that that person would need the extra classes or any tuitions. If if the person
Hmm.
is preparing for civil engineering or let's say for mechanical engineering or for
Medical.
if for medical or for that PMT exam,
Hmm.
yeah, so these are the exams. So I guess these exams these kind of preparation need extra coaching classes. Yeah, I guess there is no harm in it. But yeah, having said that, it is like right now we are talking about at the students front, but if you are like if we talk about at the tutors front, the teaching institutes, they have actually made it a business.
Very big
So
business. Very big business.
the prices have gone, like exorbitantly high, like prices
Yes.
have exorbitant. So yeah, this again, so a normal middle class family won't be able to afford that much, or
Yes.
if they try to afford it, they sell things. They end up selling things to just to uh, invest that kind of money,
Yes,
like
because
for
they
their
want
children.
everything. Yes, yes, they want everything good for their children, and they feel that if they don't pay or if they don't enroll in all these classes, their child will be lagging behind and will not be able to do well. So that kind of a pressure on the parents also is not good, and even on children to perform if they go for all these classes. That both ways, it doesn't work both ways. I always feel that children should be given the freedom to explore their own avenues, whatever they can open,
Right.
and they should be able to study on their own. If they are successful, it is well and good. If they are not, it is okay. They'll get another chance to
Or they
perform.
might be good at
So that
something
is what.
else. It is not that they have to
True,
do that course, or they like,
true,
it depends
very true.
upon, yeah, where their interest lies. So
Yes, but because of online teaching now, if you have ever gone on the internet and seen, there are n number of classes who have started teaching from first standard onwards, and the
yeah,
package which they offer, I mean, they always say that 30,000, it starts from 30,000, remember. It
they are
is.
minting money. They are actually minting money and making
And
food, like they are.
parents, yes, parents are really getting involved in all this, and they are encouraging their students also to sit in the front of computers, and which is, I mean, I feel
That is
that
bad. Yeah, that is bad.
yes, you should at least encourage your child to go out and play, go out and do some exercise, do some health. I mean, do some physical
To indulge in,
exercise.
yes, to indulge in outdoor activities and all,
Yes, yes.
not to
Have you,
remain indoor
Suraj?
all the time. Yeah, yeah, please go
True.
ahead. Yeah.
Have you ever played Scrabble?
Scrabble, the puzzle game you are referring to.
It is the board game
Uh,
which four persons can play, and then what you are supposed to do is you have to pick up seven letters from the, you have the basket full of letters, and from that seven letters you have to make the words, and then
okay.
on each word you get the points. So whoever is playing, they try to make the maximum number of long words, and that is how you increase your vocabulary, and you increase your word power. And then if you don't know the meanings of few words, you can always look up into the dictionary and see.
Yeah,
So that game is very good. As you said that you are running all these classes, so I just thought that if you tell your students also to play that game, it's wonderful game, I always
definitely.
feel, and
Yeah,
I always do it with my students. So I just thought that you
that is
can
great.
share it,
Great
and that's a
idea.
very yes, and if you also can play with one of your friends or your parents or anyone, that would be nice. You
I
will
will.
also
I
get
will play it. Though I have played it, uh, not actually in the manner which you have said, but yeah, I have played this game. Like, I have played this game in my office. So there,
okay.
like, this skit used to happen. We used to play this game.